Good morning, guys. Who's ready to get them, man? Gotta get these pips today. The chart now. There's no news today. I don't think there's any news the rest of the week, right? We checked yesterday. Let me straighten out the chart. Let's get it on, baby. See what we got. Oh, we're up today. We're up. We are up there, man. Okay, we need a pullback. We're above the 200. All right, we see the main range. It's not that big today. We see the pre-market high and the pre-market low. All right, let's see what happens here. Okay. Check USD. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm going to sell AUD/USD. Let me get logged in here. I use Liquid Broker now, guys. I like it a lot more. I still got a couple of things to learn about it, but I'm the type of guy that once I get enough, I know enough to keep it going. That's like good for me, you know? All right. Let's see. I don't know what that's about. USD. We're in profit already, guys. All right, very nice. Very nice, guys. Let me look at what we were meant to look at. This will be TP1 here, guys. If you're setting this up with me, then we're gonna then you put a stop loss. You know the drill. Yeah, perfect. All right, guys. So we got that under our belt. Let's see what's going on here. Well, let me make sure we're live, guys. We're just gonna let that run. That's more of like a longer trade. What we usually do in here. Check US 30. All right, guys. We're short on Australian dollar, US dollar. Let's see what we got here now. This is really just ranging here. We're bullish, so I want it to come down and sweep one of these areas, of at least this one. This one would be better, but at least this one. Check US 30. Which one looks better? They both look the same. This one's pretty much doing the same thing. I need it to sweep here. Let's see if we can pull back on gold. Might be a gold day. You can see here we just broke structure. We could pull down to this fair value gap. I'll take a buy right around here. Let's see what it does. I'm in a buy on USD CHF. You're looking to take another entry. Let me see if I can get an alert here. Okay. Just keep an eye on that. I'm already in a buy here, guys. I wouldn't enter now if I was you guys. If you have this set up and you want to do this alert, put this alert here, and if it breaks through there, I'm going to take another buy. I'm going to take another entry. So you can take that entry if you want. That's a pretty good entry, I would say, man. But that's USD CHF. US dollar Swiss franc. Gold's going up. Same with US 30. All right. I don't really see anything exciting here with this. We need gold to pull back. I'd like to get in over here. If I do enter here, guys, I'm entering knowing that it still could come here. I mean, it could go anywhere, but you know what I mean. It's got to come back and touch one of these two fair value gaps. I'll probably enter here just because I don't want to miss the trade, but this is a better entry, and it has a 50. Once it's here, it has a 50% chance of coming here. I would say, but let's see if it gives us a pullback at all. Oh, man, check, make sure we're even live, man. I'm gonna check. Hope we are. Gold is just about to hit that supply zone. Gold is just about to hit that. Now it looks like we're blowing right through there. It's another break of structure. Could come all the way up here. Anyway, I'm not interested in that. I need a pullback. You can see the session bias is bullish, guys. So I'm looking for a pullback so we can take a buy. And I'm looking for buys. Nas is going up a little slower. You notice that? Let's see what Nas does. Maybe Nas will give us a pullback we're looking for. Here too, you see the session bias is bullish. So we're looking for a pullback and we're looking for buys. Okay? Guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like the video. I appreciate it, man. Makes me feel good, man. Gooder than chicken. Shout out to my Kick guys, man. I want to build an audience over there. Kind of like that platform. See if we can get an entry here today, man. Come on, Naz, pull back for us. All right, let's see what happens here, guys. It's really moving slow. 5 minutes to New York. Okay, we need to do something here, guys, besides just, go back and forth. We should get some volume now. Just trying to decide where I enter. If it sweeps here, I'll probably take a buy. Let's see what happens. We're going to watch, guys, because it could come down here. It could be looking to sweep this low and then continue up. The pre-market low. That could happen in 1 second. Like, once at 9:30, could just go boom, boom. Let's see what happens. I'll be ready for it. Okay, be ready to take a buy here in case it just shoots down. Two minutes. Minute and a half. Yeah, there's some pressure now, so let's see what happens. I hope it's not just going to sweep that little zone right there. Could be, though. Okay, 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Come on, one more push down. Here we go, guys. Okay, here it is. Okay, I'm going to enter right here, guys. And then if it comes out, I'm going to enter again. Okay, I'm in. We had a perfect entry there. If it goes up. If not, we'll be entering again right here. Looks like that's what it might want to do. That's what it's going to look like, guys. If that's the case. We're right around our entry. A little drawdown. It looks like it's trying to get down to the next zone. There is liquidity there as the pre-market low. So we kind of expect it to come there, even though, a lot of times it doesn't. It's trying, but it keeps getting the buyers to keep taking over. That's why I enter early here, just so I don't miss the trade, knowing that I'm using a smaller lot size just for this case, because I know it could come here. It could go to zero, so. But we think we're ahead of the curve here, so let's see what happens. I'm going to make a plan here just in case it does go our way. All right. That's 50 pips right there. I'm going to take half right here, guys. You can see that line? All right, we're headed down. Buyers are fighting back. The red army is advancing. Shout out to the Maven. What was his name? The Maven? Or the Oracle? Okay, we're back in profit. Let's see if we can push up. Okay, guys, the way I do it, as you guys know, if you've been here, once it gets here, I'm going to take profit, and then I'm going to set a TP in profit. And that's it. That's our W for the day. And let's see if we can get that. This is about 50 pips in total. I'm going to take at least half right here, guys. So that'll be at least 25 pips in the bank. I might take a little more, depending on how it's moving. I'm getting ready to take profit, guys. I did not do it yet. Thinking about it. Okay, if it does that again, I'm going to push the button. Even if it doesn't get there 100%. Okay, I took it. All right, guys, I said 48232.38. is my stop loss. 48.232.38. Let's hope it doesn't hit us. That's a W, US 30, guys. Give me a W in the chat. And let's hope we don't get stopped out here. No, no, no. Get out of there, you bum. Stay above that 200. There you go. Get out of there, rascal. All right, so this trade is won anyway. It's just depending on how much we're going to get. What's the whole trade? The whole trade is 113 pips. Call it 110 pips. But 48341 is my final TP, guys. 48341. Okay, you should be right around 50 pips. Oh, look at that. Nice push up, guys. Get out whenever you want, guys. Don't leave it up to me. You got to protect your capital the way you see fit. I'm going to hang and see if I can get this total trade here. Come on, push up. It should at least go through that next supply zone right here. I would think. It's going to at least take this equity. And I would think since it's already up here, it's going to come for this equity. But I could be wrong, guys. I could be wrong. It's stalling out here, guys. No shame in taking the win right now, guys. All right, here we go. Here's a push. It should at least sweep there. It did sweep, but let's see what happens here, guys. Come on. Come on. Boom! TP hit, guys. TP smash. 110 pips. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Still going, too. Man. Flipping out. It falls right out of the wall. What a pain in the neck. All right, let's see what we got. All right, if you guys are still in, I'm out because I had my TP set. I don't know if it's going to keep going or if this is just a big sweep, big show. But I'm out, guys. So 110 pips on that one, man. A beautiful thing. How about you guys on Kick? Anybody catch that over there? Can you guys join me in that one? That's a beautiful thing, guys. Anyway, guys, that's another win, man. I don't know how many in a row that is or whatever. And it's still going. Some of you guys are in, man. God bless, man. But anyway, we'll be back here tomorrow at the same time. Do the same thing, guys. Get our daily win. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate everybody, especially who likes the video or who subscribes. It helps me out a little bit. as I try to help you guys every day, man. Have a great day on purpose, guys. God bless you. I will see you tomorrow, my friends. Cheers, man.